The Samsung Galaxy S25 is a strong contender in the flagship smartphone arena for 2025. It builds upon its predecessors with meaningful improvements, particularly in performance and AI integration. Samsung's Ultra series has long been the benchmark for high-end Android phones, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't likely to stray far from this formula. If history is any indication, the S25 Ultra will build on the successes of its predecessor, focusing on subtle but meaningful improvements rather than radical redesigns. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a top-of-the-line flagship phone that offers a compelling combination of performance, features, and design. It's a great choice for those who are looking for the best of the best in the Android world. Powering the S25 Ultra will likely be Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, built by TSMC and officially announced in October 2024. The chipset's two performance cores reach clock speeds of up to 4 GHz, a significant leap from the 3.3 GHz offered by the Cortex-X4 on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The S25 Ultra has also been spotted on Geekbench, confirming its use of this powerful SoC. It offers 12 GB RAM and storage options of 256 GB, 512 or 1TB. Samsung's One UI 7, based on Android 15, offers a user-friendly and feature-rich experience with enhanced AI capabilities. The S25 maintains a sleek and premium design with a comfortable in-hand feel. The vibrant and sharp display offers an excellent viewing experience for multimedia consumption. The S25 Ultra will likely retain its signature boxy industrial design, but with more rounded edges this time. Its front will feature a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, similar to previous models. The OLED panel is expected to maintain a resolution of 1440 by 3080 pixels, offering a sharpness of over 500 ppi. As a result, individual pixels will remain indistinguishable. Samsung is also likely to continue refining its S Pen integration, keeping it as the go-to choice for productivity-minded users. The camera system, while not a major overhaul, benefits from software enhancements and AI optimization, resulting in improved image quality. The rear camera setup includes a 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and 100x space zoom. It supports 4K and 8K video recording. On the front, it has a 12-megapixel camera that delivers sharp selfies. The phone has an IP68 rating, while connectivity options include 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC. It houses a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging and wireless charging support. The S25 offers solid battery life, comfortably lasting through a full day of use. Overall, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a top-of-the-line flagship phone that offers a compelling combination of performance, features, and design. It's a great choice for those who are looking for the best of the best in the Android world. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.